Why won't a lawyer take my medical malpractice case? This is a question that I get all the time from people who are frustrated. Maybe they've called several lawyers and they don't understand why a lawyer doesn't accept their case. Well, my experience is that there's really two main reasons why a lawyer will not take your medical malpractice case. Number one, the statute of limitations. That's the legal term for deadlines. Now, I've done several videos on statute of limitations, but if your case is beyond the deadline of bringing a lawsuit, well, there's no way a lawyer can help you. In Maryland, the general rule is that you must bring a lawsuit within 3 years from the date that you knew or should have known that medical malpractice was committed upon you. And if you are beyond that deadline, well, there's nothing a lawyer can do. The other thing that can be frustrating is if you are almost at the deadline, but a lawyer doesn't want to take the case, there can be some confusion as to why. It takes months and months and months for a medical malpractice case to be reviewed and prepared for filing. And there's no way that any lawyer, including myself, is going to be able to get a lawsuit put together in a month or even 2 months. So even though the deadline has not technically passed, the fact that there's just not enough time is going to be the main reason why a lawyer doesn't take your medical malpractice case. And number two, you don't have permanent injury. As I've said before in other videos, medical malpractice cases are very expensive. And if you don't have permanent injury, the lawsuit itself is going to cost more than you're going to be able to get. So I know this can be very frustrating if you try to speak to lawyers and they keep telling you the same thing. I wanted to do this video to explain the top 2 reasons why a lawyer is not taking your medical malpractice case.